Chloe, and I'm going to be opening up this White Up Unicorn notebook. And find where the tape is, and ask your mom or dad to open it. So ask your mom and dad to open it. And then my mom just opened it, so let's take it out. That's all of it. Put it over to the side. The directions. Let's see the directions. Not really that much directions. It just tells you what it comes with. So put that over there. Or if you want to read it later, so just put it inside the box. And now for this. It comes like this. And it has some tape. You just have to take off the tape. It's a lot of tape, but I don't think that you have to take all the tape off. Yeah, you definitely have to take all the tape off. So let's just find the tape and take it off. So let's take it off. And put it right there. And that looks good. I did all the tape. And if this cardboard just that under there. And it should look like this. And it comes with a little lock and some keys. And it can easily glow. You have to press this and it glows. Wanna see? You really can't see. You can see the flashing. That is it glowing. Let's see. With these little keys, you just take the lock and you open it just like this. So take one of the keys and put it in and twist it. Okay. And see if it unlocks. If it does not unlock, oh, it just unlocked. And, oh, the keys just fell off. So, I'm gonna go get them. Got them. And let's open it up. It's a little spot that you have to get out. And it looks like it's something right here. And then it comes with the sheets that you can write. And how to shut it, I'm going to show you. So take this thing right here and this, slide it where the hole should be. Make sure that you can find the lock. Make sure that you put it somewhere where right next, and make sure that you can put the keys back on if you want. That's like over where they were. And that's what I'm gonna do. So you could do what I do, or you don't have to if you don't want to. And it's 2 keys, just in case. If you lose the keys, and just put it on like this, like that. And let's slide it in and push it. Just like that. And it and let's get out the stickers. It has some tape. So let's take off the tape. And it's one more piece of tape, so let's take it off. And it's stickers. So I'm gonna gonna put the stickers with that, and it comes with a pen and some stickers and a notebook. So here's the pen, and it's gonna work. So hope you like my channel. Bye-bye.